first thing to do is cut off the top of the plastic ball. You'll notice there is a ring around the top already. Use this as your guide and just slice through and around. I found it as easy as if you hold the X-Acto horizontally while slicing. Decide if you want the final product to be shiny or matte. If you want it to be matte, then you will need to spray the inside of the ball with vegetable oil. Another way to get matte is to demold the cement while it's a little warm to the touch. Otherwise, it'll be shiny if you let it fully cure. It just depends on what the look is that you're going for. Now prepare the cement mix. Add the dry cement to the mixing bowl and add some water. You will only need a small amount for each ball, and the consistency you're looking for should be like a mud pie. Apply the cement to the inside of the ball. You will want to fill up half the ball and then smooth it around. Just push it against the sides and make sure that you get the top part as well. You should leave it about 1/4 inch thick. Now, if you would like your planter to have a marbled effect, then you'll want to leave some space before pushing up the cement sides. Just scoop a little bit of pigment and sprinkle it and tap it against the sides. And now you can smush the cement up against the pigment and the sides of the ball. Next, it's time to add the magnet. Take it and push it up against the side at about the point where the seam is on the outside of the ball, which is near midway. Make sure to cover the magnet with cement. Also, be careful not to push it all the way through the cement so that it's touching the sides of the ball. You don't want it to go that far, so just apply some pressure without smushing it all the way. Now take a Q-tip and push in 2 drainage holes at the bottom. When done, take the ball and position it on top of something with a small opening like a small glass. This will help it keep its round shape. So if you plan for the planter to be shiny, then again, make sure to wait at least 2 hours before demolding. Otherwise, you can remove it in about an hour, just as long as it's not too warm to the touch. And the last step is to peel off the plastic. And in order to demold it, just take the X-Acto and peel off the plastic. Cut away from your body and cut away from the planter. You're just going to peel it like an orange. And now you're done, and you can plant it with succulents or air plants or anything you'd like. See the full written detailed tutorial at artsyprettyplants.com/DIY magnetic planter.